Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn an important theory in organic compound. Nomenclature in organic compound. Nomenclature in a organic compound. Then nomenclature of organic compound, given by two type method. One is a common method and another is a IUPAC method. Nomenclature of organic compound given by mainly two types, common method and another is a IUPAC method. Third, a normal nomenclature of organic compound is a tribal method. Tribal method is also present in an organic compound, but it's a not important. Mainly nomenclature of organic compound given by two type method, common method and a IUPAC method. First, we will start the IUPAC method, not common method. Start IUPAC method. And what is IUPAC method? Then, in first, what is the means of IUPAC? IUPAC means International Unit of Pure and Applied Chemistry. International Unit of Pure and Applied Chemistry. Full form of IUPAC. International Unit of Pure and Applied Chemistry is the full form of IUPAC. In an IUPAC method, for example, we have a simple structure CH4. This structure have only one carbon, and we already know it's a hydrocarbon. Aliphatic hydrocarbon or a hydrocarbon, because CH4 means hydrocarbon. What means of a CH4? Then answer is methane. Answer is methane. Methane name is a IUPAC name of CH4. It's a hydrocarbon, because in this structure hydrogen and carbon atoms are present. For example, we have a structure CH4. It's a hydrocarbon, because in this structure both carbon and hydrogen atoms are present, and we already know that what is the mix of hydrocarbon. If a compound formed by carbon and hydrogen, then it's called hydrocarbon. But now we will concentrate on a IUPAC name of an organic compound. Name of this compound is already known. It's a methane. Mass of meth is one carbon, and mass of N shows the single bond. In a hydrocarbon. Another example, CH3 and CH3. It's also a alkane, and name of this alkane is ethane. Ethane shows the number of carbon, and we know number of carbon in this compound is 2. Ane shows the single bond between any two carbon. Both methane and ethane are IUPAC name of CS4 and C2H6. So now we will start the IUPAC method and IUPAC rule. In IUPAC method, IUPAC rule. First rule is for a nomenclature of an organic compound, first choose the longest chain or longest chain in given structure. What is that? First rule for IUPAC nomenclature. For nomenclature of an organic compound, first choose the longest or longest chain in given structure. For example, we have this structure. And question is for a nomenclature choose the longest chain. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Next time 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Next time 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So first work in IUPAC method, choose the longest chain for a nomenclature. It means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's a first work for nomenclature and first rule of nomenclature. Once again, suppose that we have this structure. And question is, what is the longest chain in this compound? Then answer is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Next is second rule for IUPAC. First rule is elongate chain. First is elongate chain in organic compound. And second rule is more important as compare first. Why? Before explain the second rule, we must know about the substitute group. What is substitute group? Then suppose that we have a chain of this compound, and we know IUPAC name of this compound is butane. IUPAC name of this compound is butane. ओके बेटा, इसको नेक्स्ट क्लास में मैं आपको एक्सप्लेन करूंगा। ठीक है।